Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 9.5 question number 5. Show that 3x plus 7 whole square minus 84x is equal to 3x minus 7 whole square. Let us find. Let us find question number 1. Question number 1 is number 1. This question number 1. 3x plus 7 whole square minus 84x is equal to 3x minus 7 whole square. We'll start from left hand side. Now let us find left hand side. LHS left hand side is equal to 3x plus 7 whole square minus 84x. Here we will use the identity a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? Therefore, we are getting 3x whole square plus 2ab plus 2 plus 2 into 3x into 7 plus 7 square minus 84x. Therefore, we are getting 3x square plus 3 to the 6, 6 is 42, 42x minus 84x plus 7 square. Or you can write here as 3x whole square plus, this is minus, right? 84 is greater, right? Therefore, 84 minus 42, 84 minus 42. 4 minus 2 is 2, 4 minus 8 minus 4 is 4, 42. That is minus 42x, minus 42 x plus 7 square. Or you can write here as 3x, this is actually 3x whole square. Let us write this one. This is 3x whole square, 3x whole square, right? Now 3x whole square minus 2ab, 2 into 3x into 7 plus 7 square. Then we can write, we can use the identity a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here a is 3x, therefore 3x minus 7 whole square, and that is equal to right hand side, equal to right hand side, right? Now solve question number 2. Now question number 2 here you see is, we will solve question number 2. Question number 2 is, you have to prove that 9p minus 5q whole square plus 180pq is equal to 9p plus 5q whole square. Let us find this one. We start from left hand side. Left hand side is 9p minus 5q whole square plus 180 PQ plus 180 PQ. Here we will use the identity a minus b whole square equal a square minus 2ab plus b square. Let us find a square, that is 9p whole square minus 2ab, 2 into a is 9p into 5q plus b square is 5q whole square, 5q whole square plus 180 pq, 180 pq, or you can write here as 9p whole square minus 5 into 45, 45 into 2 is 90, minus 90 pq plus 180 pq plus 5q whole square, 5q whole square, or you can write here as 9p whole square plus minus 90 plus 180, that is plus 90 pq, 90 pq plus 5q whole square plus 5q whole square, or you can write here as 9p square plus 2ab, 2, a is 9p, 9p, and q is 5q, 5q plus 5q whole square, right? Therefore we are getting, here you see, raise the identity a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a is 9p plus 5q whole square, and that is equal to right hand side. Right? This one 9p plus 5q whole square. Now we will discuss question number 3. We will solve question number 3. Here you see that question number 3 is this one, 4 by 3m minus 3 by 4n whole square plus 2m equal to 16 by 9m square plus 9 by 16n square. Let us find question number 3. First we will start from left hand side. Left hand side, that is equal to 4 by 3m, 4 by 3 m minus 3 by 4n, 3 by 4 n whole square, n whole square plus 2mn plus 2mn. Here we will use the identity mn. Here we will use the identity a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. We will use this identity. Therefore 4 by 3 m whole square minus 2ab, 2 into 4 by 3m into 3 by 4n plus 3 by 4n whole square plus 2mn, or you can write here as 4 4 is 16 by 3 3 is 9 m square, and here it is 4 4 into 4 4 into 4 3 into 3 3 into 3 minus 2mn plus 3 is 9 4 4 is 16 n square plus 2mn. Here minus 2mn and plus 2n, we are cutting this one. Therefore, we are getting 16 by 9 m square plus 9 by 16 n square, and that is equal to a right hand side. Here you see 16 by 9 m square plus 9 by 16 n square, and that is equal to a right hand side. Right? Now we'll solve question number 4. Now you see question number 4 is this one: 4pq plus 3q whole square minus 4pq minus 3q whole square is equal to 48pq square. Let us find question number 4. Question number 4 is 4pq plus 3q whole square minus 4pq minus 3q whole square is equal to 48 p q square. We start from right and left hand side. Starting from left hand side and use the identity a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. We use this identity starting from left hand side, that is 4 pq plus 3q whole square minus 4pq minus 3q whole square. We use the identity a plus b whole square, that is a square, that is 4pq whole square plus 2ab 2 into 4pq into 3q plus 3q whole square. In second bracket we can write a square, that is 4pq whole square minus 2ab 2 into 4pq into 3q plus 3q whole square plus 3q whole square. Therefore, we are getting 4 4 is 16 p square q square plus 4 is 12, 12 is 24, 24 p q square plus 3 is 9 q square minus 4 4 is 16 p square q square. Minus into minus is plus. 48, 3 is 24 plus 24 p q square. Minus into plus is minus 9 q square. Now here you see plus 16 p square q square will cut with minus 16 p square q square, right? And here you see that is plus 9 q square and minus 9 q square will cut. Therefore, we are getting 24 p square p q square plus 24 p q square. 24 plus 24 is equal to 48 p q square, and that is equal to right hand side. This is proved. Now we solve question number 5. Now we solve question number 5. Here see question number 5 is a minus b into a plus b plus b minus c into b plus c plus c minus a into c plus a is equal to 0. Let us start from left hand side. Left hand side here you see is equal to a minus b into a plus b plus b minus c into b plus c plus c minus a into c plus a. Therefore, we are getting a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. B minus c plus into b plus c is b square minus c square plus c minus a into c plus a c square minus a square. Now here c minus b square and plus b square will cut. Minus c square plus c square will cut. Minus a square plus c square will cut. That means we are getting here as 0, and that is equal to right hand side. Proved. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share, and also press the notification bell so that you may get the updated videos immediately. Thank you everybody for watching this video.